In this video, I'm going
How
to
you
show
can
easily send a message on WhatsApp without saving phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end
so you don't
make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So, let's get started. And the easiest way to do so is open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari. And then all you have to do is just enter wa.me. Then / and after that, we need to enter a phone number whom we want to send a message. I'm just gonna enter someone's phone number. Do not forget to add country code before the number. For Russia, it is 7. And then once you've done with that, all we have to do is just stop it. And then after a couple of seconds, it allows us to open up a conversation with that user. In WhatsApp app, we need to tap at open. And then we will be taken to a conversation with that user. That's how you can easily send a message on without saving number,